Michelle, the last 2 years have been so crazy, but the last 4 have been worth it because I've been with you. You always ask me to tell you a story, so today I'm going to. A little over 4 years ago, we found each other again after vaguely knowing each other in high school. We fell in love, moved in together, and we got a perfect angel of a dog. Then the world got kind of crazy. We survived a global pandemic, we bought a house together, we lost our perfect angel of a dog. We've done all of that together. And as you always say, we're a team. There's no one else I'd rather have on my team than you. I know that loving you, loving how you push through any obstacles that come in your way, with you on my team, we will get through anything together.
I love you. Today, I give myself to you. You know, I wish we had met sooner or I had known you in school. But I know sometimes the best things in life you have to wait for. You've become my best friend and my most trusted confidant. I am so happy to be marrying you today. I promise to love you and protect the life we've built together. I will love you when life is easy and when life is hard. And I pledge to work towards our goals and our future because we're a team. I promise to work to meet your needs, not because I feel obligated, but because your happiness is mine. And I vow to remember the beauty of our love and our lives being intertwined together is that we've still maintained our freedoms and our own choices. I choose you. I choose to take care of you in sickness and health. I promise to continue to be on the morning shift for our dogs, even though they are very terrible. And I promise to always ask you for one more hug, one more kiss, and to never stop trying to convince you to come to sleep at 8 p.m. with me. You are my rock. You have taught me that joined together with love, respect, and communication, we could be far happier than we could ever be apart. You are the strength I didn't know I needed, and the joy I didn't know I was lacking. And today, I choose to spend the rest of my life with you.